Hello friends, we are back with a new topic on Power Query. Today we're going to learn how we can create grouping or bucketing, and we will be utilizing column from examples which we have learned in our previous video. So let me give you a scenario. We have this as an raw input which is not proper formatted, and also as a requirement we will be requiring an additional column which had a bucketing of average, high and low basis the salary. We requiring something like this. So to learn this, let's quickly move on to Excel file. Let me import this table into Power Query. So my data is imported. Okay. So let's first transform the name section first. Select the name column, then go to transform, format, and I will be utilizing capitalize each word. Now my second part is to create an additional column having bucketing basis salary. To do that, click on salary, add column, column from examples, from selection, a new column will pop up. We can rename it. Here I'm giving it the name custom. You can give anyone you want. Now, as discussed in the previous video, we have to put the actual output we are requiring from the Power Query. And once we put the output here, Power Query will formulate the actual formula basis the output we entered in this column. So as a requirement, I will be requiring all the salaries above than 75,000 or equal to 75,000 will be classed as high. Anything between 75 to 30,000 will class as average, and less than 30,000 will be treated as low. So as per requirement, 68,000 is average, 27,000 is low, 96,000 is high, 47,000 is again average. Now after entering 3-4 lines, Power Query is smart enough and he created a formula for me. Let's observe this formula. So it started in the reverse order. If my salary is greater than 96891, which is because I have entered on the output against the specific values, so I can update this since we have the rights to update the same, so we can change the formula. So my first requirement is salary greater than or equal to 75,000, and my next condition is else if salary is greater than equal to 47,000. Instead of that, my second condition is I want salary greater than or equal to 30,000, else all should class as low. Once we clicked, see, you can randomly check it, my formula is working fine. You can transform this or you can extract this on the Excel file, existing worksheet. Let me take F3. Okay. So my output is here. Okay. So it is now a auto updated table. If I change this, suppose I raise this to 65,000, and I just come here and refresh it, it's get updated. And if you add any new input, it will add automatically once you refresh in the bottom of the output table. So hope you have understand the topic, and for any further confusion and query, please feel free to mention the same in the comment section. We will definitely get back to you. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like and subscribe our channel for more interesting video. Goodbye and have a good day.